Hi everyone! First, I want to say a huge thank you for 10,000 subscribers. When almost 2 years ago I've started my channel, I've never dreamed that such a great point is possible for me. And I'm very grateful to this channel that it helped me to meet many wonderful people, even if not personally. Your comments and your works inspired by my videos make me extremely happy, and that's the reason why I continue. And of course, huge thank you to all patrons, to everyone who sent me coffee donations, who purchased product via my product links, and that's you who make running this channel possible. Thank you, and I hope that you would keep my company in the future. Bye! And now it's time to look at what I finished in May. Unfortunately, for half of the month, I didn't feel myself very well, and I wasn't able to color for a long time, so I finished only a few works, but I am quite proud of each and every of them. Let's start with this beautiful mermaid from Anastasia Ellie Koldereва, Legends about Mermaids coloring book. The coloring book is huge, and I'm quite happy that I was able to use for this page all my pearl-shade watercolors and my gel pens, and now this page is quite shining, and I'm also very happy with the limited color palette which I choose for this page. Many of this month's works I made in mixed media technique, so I used watercolors for background and then added acrylic paints and pencils and gel pens, and I think that for me it's the best way to get spectacular result. Next, I made two works from the book by Pepin Press. First was from the set of Van Gogh postcards. All books by Pepin Press are printed on watercolor paper, so I used watercolors. And this book is a training book for sketching, for fashion drawing, for fashion painting, and I use this one for mixing different watercolor mixes for creating different skin tones, and I created a separate video about how I mix watercolors for different skin tones. I will leave you a link in the info box. I did two pictures from Magical Journey, maybe after 2 months of not touching this book at all, and I continue working on Japanese section of this book. So here I have a tea ceremony, and I also finished geisha portrait. I'm satisfied with my color choice, with color combos, but I'm not very happy how I used a lot of water, so I have problems with the bleeding through and with the color of her skin tone. Now she looks a little bit dirty, and I'm not particularly happy, but I will remember next time that I have to be careful with the water in this book. Sometimes, if you don't touch a book for a long time, you may forget how paper behaves or how your art supplies behave on this paper, so sometimes it's a problem. You have to get acquainted with the paper again. The next work is from Swedish coloring book, which is Sagar or Sagner. This book is extremely popular, but no one knows where to purchase it now, and it's really pity. I don't like snakes at all, but I'm happy with my picture. My snake is quite fashionable, and I like flowers. They are similar to maybe cherry blossom or apple tree blossom, and I think that selected colors combine quite well together. And my another return is to Game of Thrones official coloring book. And I finished 2 pictures. Another 2 steps to the end of this book, and I hope that one day I will be finishing all pages. Here I have armory. Again, everything I colored here was made in mixed media technique with watercolor for the background and watercolor and regular pencil for details. The second picture is portrait of Varys. I think that this is one of the best made pictures in this book. Unfortunately, I don't remember the name of the artist. You know, this book was made by different artists, I think 6 artists, and I definitely have to look at who made this particular page. I think that I managed to catch his character, and I also love my color combo, so I'm happy with both pages here. Magical Dawn is still one of my favorite Hannah Carson's book, and I'm happy to add another 2 finished pages. The left one is my Fire Princess. Here I'm proud of my using red. Maybe you know that red isn't one of my favorite colors. I don't use it quite often, so it was a step out of my comfort zone here. But I really like combo of gold and red, and I again used all my metallic gel pens, metallic watercolors, so page is quite shiny and bright. The right page I did using my new set of Caran d'Ache crayons, Caran d'Ache Neo Colors 2, and I enjoy doing this background so much. Now I'm not afraid at all with all empty backgrounds in Hannah books or in other books, because with this set I am able to do everything I imagine in my head about the background, and which I wasn't able to create using just color pencils. And of course the happiest moment of May was new book by Hannah Carson, new addition to my coloring book collection, and honestly this book is just gorgeous. I immediately fall in love with this book. I love everything here, from portraits to cute animals, birds, and of course a lot of jewels. Again, I tried here to create 2 interesting backgrounds. The right one again made with Neocolor crayons and acrylic paint. The left one is my recently finished green opal princess. And I think that I did my best for both pages here. Unfortunately, that's all I finished in May. I had such a huge plans, but I hope that I will do them in June. Thank you again for all my subscribers, for all my patrons, for everyone who leave me comments, who share your works inspired by my videos with me. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.